Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com.
This card kit is for August of 2024. The stamp set I'm featuring is Country Flowers. The colors that I'm using are Blueberry Bushel and Gray Granite. And the card bases for the cards is Gray Granite and actually Misty Moonlight. So you get 2 cards in the kit when you use the host code and shop with me. And I explained it earlier in the intro. And you can use any stamp set that you have. This is the one that I am featuring. If you are so inclined, I can put the link below. And if you would like to get this card kit, I would very much appreciate it. And if you wanted the products, I'll put them listed in the description below. So I've used Gray Granite to ink up the floral stamp, and this is a great stamp for coloring. I think that because it's just sort of black line, well, it's not black line, I'm using Gray and Blueberry Bushel, but you know what I'm saying. It's a fine line drawing. So the sentiment says, "So lucky to know you," and I put that on a die, and the die is called Spotlight on Nature. And let me tell you, I have lots of those little white extra negative pieces all around my craft room because I cut a plenty of them. Anyway, I love doing it. And don't forget about these little tiny stamps. When you find them in the stamp sets, use them to your advantage. I really liked that little one there, as you can see. So I have given you in your card kit a little bit of the Country Lace Designer Series paper. I believe it's on special this month at 15% off. Don't quote me though, I'm not 100% sure, but I will make certain when I post this on my blog, and I'm happy to do so. I'll give you guys a heads up. I'm just putting that little strip of paper about three-quarters of an inch from the inside, and then that other little paper, same Designer Series paper colorway, just a different paper, and that is going on dimensionals. Now I suppose you could put a little sheet of any kind of cardstock behind there if you wanted. I didn't feel that it was necessary, but I did put 4 dimensionals on. So I'm a dimensional abuser, as everybody has commented. So I'm going to flip that nature die cut over, and I doubled up the dimensionals on the right hand side. So I left the left hand side sort of open so I could put it over, and then all of a sudden you just got some floral sort of peeping out. If you wanted to color it, you totally could. I'm trying to make these card kits simple and easy for everybody. And of course, if you don't have this stamp set, you can use whatever you have in your stash. I'm not that much of an enabler that you have to go out and buy the stamp set and die, but I think I'm going to be doing an online class with this. Anyway, I'm matting it with some cardstock. One was Basic Gray, and then the other is Blueberry Bushel. So you have sort of a neutral one and then sort of a bluish one. And I was just sort of going with the colors that are in the Designer Series paper. So, and then I'm just going to put them on the cards. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supply section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So, and you also get envelopes with this kit, by the way. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.